Hi, I'm Tim Studd. I'm the editor-in-chief of Laboratory Equipment Magazine, and we're at Lab Automation 2010 in Palm Springs. And we're here at the EPSON booth with Phil Baratti, and he's going to explain about a new product that he's introduced at the show here.
Actually, today we're showing 3 new products. We have our smallest Scaro robot, which you can see in the background here. It's called a G1 Scaro robot. It's a 4-axis arm. One of the most unique characteristics about this arm is that it has a very low payload but a very high insertion rate. It can insert up to 5 kilograms of force with a payload of up to 1 kilogram of load. So it's a very rigid, very fast arm. It can be adapted to many different applications, from dispensing to sampling, even product transfer. Currently, this is a robot that we have in a winter sale, so to speak. So we're offering this at a lower than normal price this year. Also, what we're showing is the C3 6-axis robot. That's the one in the background handling the pipettes. There are quite a few unique aspects about this robot. As you look at it, you can notice that it's got a very slim design to it. We call it a slimline design. The 5th axis, which is typically a restricted joint for rotation, has a cutout in the casting such that we can now get additional reach on the 5th axis. We can actually reach down underneath the robot with much more working area in a much smaller dead space. The robot is a clean room, ESD compliant arm. We adhere to ISO 3 clean or class 10 clean. Both robots are run from the same controller, which is the RC620 control platform. This controller has an integrated PC as well as the robot controls. It's a dual core system. So the robot controls are completely isolated from drawing resources from the computer. What this means is that we can now incorporate third-party software applications, we can incorporate third-party hardware, and it will not draw down on what the robot's capabilities are as far as speed, precision, settling, performance, and the rest. So that's a very unique feature that we have as far as our new controllers are concerned. So that's what we're doing.
Can you give us a little background as to how this is going to help your customers compared to what else is out there?
Well, considering what else is available as far as control platforms are concerned, our system has been written in such a way that it's mostly a basic type environment, which makes it very easy to program. And that's really our strong point on this new controller, is the ability to program the system up a lot quicker. We have fully integrated options such as vision guidance, which we're showing in this demonstration. We have multiple types of field bus available. We have Profibus, DeviceNet, CC-Link, Ethernet IP. So all of these things being fully integrated makes it much easier, much quicker to create an application.
And what kind of applications are your customers going to use it for primarily?
Well, if you consider what we have here, as opposed to most other folks, what you're seeing here are dedicated pieces of equipment. What we sell is the robot. Now, with the robot, we can actually retool the arm, so now it's going to be a pick-and-place device, it's going to be a dispensing device, it can be sampling, it can be presenting components to barcode scanners. So reality is we give a lot more flexibility with these robots than what you would normally see in a fixed system. So it's going to help our customers be more creative, allow them to do a lot more with the equipment.
Have you installed any of these systems yet for any clients?
Yes, we have actually. We've released the C3, the 6-axis robot, approximately 6 months ago. We have quite a few of those going out into the field. The smaller arms we've also been sending out, and these aren't necessarily for explicitly lab automation, but they do cross over into just about every type of manufacturing possible. So yes, we have been selling these machines recently.
But you're introducing at the show.
Yes. Now,
you'll be shipping.
We'll be shipping immediately. So the robot that we're showing here is something new in the sense of clean room ESD, and it's ready to sell.